Hi guys, your favorite YouTuber is here again. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so now. Turn on your notification bell just to get notified whenever a video is posted. Today, I'm going to talk about how much can you successfully use to start up a hair business. How much can you use to start up a hair business? Well, there is actually no specific amount to start up a hair business. It varies from person to person, depends on your pockets, depend on how much you have. So there's really no specific amount for you to start up a hair business. But if I must say, you can start with zero capital. You can start with zero capital, or you can start it with 15,000 naira to 15 million. Yes, you can start it up. But if you don't have any money, if you don't have a capital to start it up, please, you don't need to break a bank. You can start with zero. How do I mean by zero capital? Starting by zero capital. Okay, all you need to do, get hair vendors in your locality. Ask them for pictures and videos of their hairs. So when you must have gotten those things, you create a platform, be it Instagram or your WhatsApp. Be posting it on your WhatsApp status. For instance, the person might try to sell his or her hair for 50,000 naira, and you that is reselling from her, you can actually add 10,000 naira to it, making 60,000 naira. Okay, you're buying hair for 60,000 naira, someone comes to pay, and you give the person, that the person you're getting the hairs from, you give the person her own 40,000 naira, and you get your own 10,000 naira. By doing that, you have to save up some money to be able to start buying your own hairs. When starting a hair business, sorry, I won't advise anyone to start big. No, it's not really advisable for a business, especially hair business. Yes, it is a lucrative business, but you need to start small. But if you have enough money, you can start big with 15 million naira. As I said, you can start it big. But if you don't have, please start posting from local vendors. Start posting so you can be able to save up money and start buying for yourself. Start buying it for yourself. Then, if you have up to 15,000 naira and you want to start up a hair business proper, please please don't go and start buying don't go and look for bone straight hair, because 15,000 I can't even buy it. Please go for cheap hairs. And when you're going for cheap hairs, please go for China hairs. Those ones you can get hairs worth 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira hairs. Those are China hairs. You can get China premium, and you can also get China rubbish from them. So shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. Then, if you have enough money, that okay, let me just start it big. You can start with human hairs, virgin hairs, and all that luxury hairs. You can start with them. But one thing you have to put into consideration is that you're going to struggle to sell those hairs. Why do I say that? You don't have audience, you don't have customers, you're just starting up this business. You don't have, you don't have any contact. The contact I know you might have on your phone is your family members and maybe a few friends, and your friends might not be able to patronize you. Your families might not even want to patronize you. So you need to start small. That is where I'm just going to. You need to start small. Because if you buy all those hairs, you now spend up to 500,000 naira to buy those hairs. You are going to lose. The hairs will be with you and they will start getting bad. You will lose. So I will advise you, when starting a hair business, just start small. Start small. If you have the money to start small, please start going for China hairs. You see synthetic fibers, blend, and all that. They have different varieties. Start from there. Before you know, you build your customers, build your audience, then you can upgrade to start buying luxury hairs. But for a start, if you don't want to cry in the night, for a start, please Start small. Even if the money is there, just start small. Please start small. I'm advising you now because me, I know what it means, I know what it costs. So please just start small. So you don't need to break the bank before starting a hair business. You don't need to break a bank. You can start with zero capital. You can start even with dropshipping safe. You can start it. You can start by posting other people's things, posting. Then you see your customers will come and buy. And again, you need to be consistent in this hair business. When you're starting a hair business, just know that you're going to dedicate your time, you're going to dedicate your phone, you're going to dedicate your data. Yes, you're going to dedicate all those things if you really want to be successful in hair business. It's not just by, hey, what do you do? I'm a hair vendor, I do this, I say this. How much time do you invest in it? That is the thing you need to ask yourself. How much time do you invest in it? So we've come to the end of the class, of this topic, I mean to say. Please, if you don't understand anything or you need more enlightenment, you can comment and I'll be there to respond to you. And again, don't you forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell just to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye. See you.